there's a really American thing, which is a credit history thing. You have to get a credit card to build good credit history. That is not something we do here. So a lot of people don't realise that you can operate in this country without credit cards. And I would encourage everybody to cut up their credit card. Don't talk to me about air points, hot points, rewards points. I've done the math on it. It's not worth it because you overspend.
That's why they are there. They're there to encourage you to do that.
Do you think the credit card company is there for you?
Yeah, exactly.
They're there for the profit making and the shareholders.
Yeah, exactly.
So, be smarter than that. So I think the credit card thing, absolute myth. You do not need to own a credit card in this country. The only time I've needed to use a credit card and where it kind of was a bit terrible that I didn't have one was in America.
Yeah.
With the car hire company. I ran into a bit of trouble there. So I will be getting a credit card for travel. But, for living in this country, that is a myth. You do not need that.